While filming the next chapter in my epic boring bar remake video, I suddenly need a thick washer or spacer. So I'm going to make one. This is not going to be part of the video, it's just going to be some extra clips that I can use to practice my editing on. I need about a centimeter thick piece. That should be enough. Lock it in place and then I can fire up the machine. Good, the water is still working. Well, I was too late to capture the important moment, but I think this will work. I'm going to quickly grind off these nasties here, and then I will put it in the lathe and drill a 16mm hole. So, that's done. I actually had the camera standing in the old barn and shooting from more than a meter away. This new long video lens is awesome. I need to do a quick shock switcheroo, and that was my crescent wrench. It smells like a cat took a dump somewhere in here. I better investigate it. There is already a workpiece in my little 3-jaw, so I'm going to use this old 3-jaw chuck. It's a little bit dodgy and the jaws are a bit bell-mouthed, but it's still very usable. Alright, now I'm going to get the cutoff. After the usual search for the chuck key and the workpiece, I'm ready to set this up and continue making this washer. It's probably good enough. Precision is not really required, just a true hole. Okay, I better put some oil into the bearings first. Just a little drop to keep it lubricated. Switching on the frequency drive, and I should be ready to go. This tool should be on center height. no nipple. But it's only partially cleaned up. So let's take another cut. A little bit of oil this time for smoky effects. Very nice. I think I'll drill the hole first and then clean up the other side. So the first thing I need is a little center drill. I should be able to reach it, hopefully. Yeah, that should work. A little bit of oil. And let's do this. That's good enough. Next, a pilot drill. Last summer I bought these awesome long pilot drills. They give me plenty of reach. Unfortunately, they are not split point, but they work okay. Little dab of oil. And that's another step done. Next, a 10mm drill. I usually keep a 10mm drill in this drill chuck. It's hitting the bottom of the quill. That's better. Clamping the tailstock in place. A little bit of motor oil. And we're through. Nice long chips. Next I'm going to use a 16mm tapered drill bit. But first I need to remove this drill chuck. And here's my new well new. I already got it a year. 16mm Banggood tapered drill bit. I think this was maybe the last thing I ever got from Banggood. They never been in touch since that. And I haven't been bothered to call them. It sounds very angry. Well, it's done. And the last thing I need to do is clean up the other side. Alright, let's flip this piece around. It's very oily here. A little more oil, why not? It prevents rust. And that's a good thing with the winter coming. It sounds like it's not cutting the whole piece. I think we need to take off a little bit more. So for the next shot I'm going to film my hands while turning the crosslight handle. I can use this footage in the boring bar remake video. Stopping the lathe so I can film the rest of that facing pass. That's done. Good. So you will probably see me use this little part in the next chapter in the epic boring bar holder remake video. The outside edges could use a little chamfering, but the battery is almost empty, so it really doesn't matter. It will work as it is. Bye for now. So I found the cat shit under the table in the corner of the old barn. Looks like a nice stiff one, should be easy to clean up. And when I'm done cleaning up, I'm going to kill the cat because he's never going to learn.